welcome our aspirants for this graduation ceremony.
Master Peter.
Everyone, this unique chapter is like who we are today. This graduation is more than just a closing ceremony. It is a celebration of each student's journey.
Committee of Academic Honors, and by virtue of the authority vested in me, San Juan National High School, I hereby confer academic honors upon the following candidates for graduation. These students have exhibited remarkable.
Before I reveal the first visiting the graduation of I now confirm this one male and 15 female under the accountancy business management strand, 57 male and 49 female of humanities and social sciences females under the science, technology, and engineering. Once again, good afternoon. Thank you.
Sambahan John Mario with honors. Ipala Bina I with honors. Celeste Renali with honors. Salo Maria Victoria with honors. Congratulations. De La Cruz Christian Rose.
Congratulations. Good name, Mark Anthony H. Hawa Neil Usuibi with honors. Nunez Erica Elijah T. Angelica
Edward T. Bucaras Ernesto Jr. T. Congratulations. Kano K. With honors. Ison Eros.
Valeria Jumara Agesa M. With honors. She's also the best in recognition.
Jesuna Dante P. With high honors. Congratulations. Isabel M. With high honors.
Nagulo J. Boy with honors.
For today's exercises. Please help me welcome Dr. Mary Farah Hedges Lagudas.
Napaikuan at followers.
Such a dance will eventually fall according to God's plan. GPA and LGU officials, beloved parents and guardians, and of course, friendships, new lessons, and new version of ourselves waiting to be discovered.
And of course, nasakitan ko, I questioned myself, did I just fool everyone just to get this honor? But then I asked myself, what do these people know? They don't know the nights I cried, exhausted and overwhelmed. They didn't see the sacrifices I made, skipped meals, sleepless nights, the constant pressure because you can't afford to fail. As a group that helped you see this ending in a different light. Yeah, the past was honestly the best, but my best is what comes next. The best is yet to come. To the class 2024 to 2025, we did it. We made it. And now, with hearts full of memories,
School graduates, I request you to please stand and raise your right hand and repeat these words after I, Erica Rainier Aspi,
Lord, di ba niya show?
a graduate of San Juan National, a graduate of San Juan National High School, San Juan Scholar Lady, do hereby solemnly swear.
If you ever feel like quitting, because there's no success that is easy to reach.
Aim high, stay high. Never forget who you came from. Mabuhay ang klase 2025. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
The colors.
to be followed by our school principal, Rina Ligaya Team Revere. Our district in charge, Dr. Elisa R. Edelo. Our guest of honor and speaker, Dr. Mary Farah G. Lagunas. Our confirming officer, Dr. Eduardo Ineviti. Our GPTA and ELG officials, San Juan National High School faculty and staff.